Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through structuring your GitHub repositories like a seasoned professional to maximize your overall productivity. Start by logging into GitHub and opening up your target repository. Then, locate the horizontal navigation tabs across the top and click directly on the one labeled Projects. Here, click the green button to initiate a new project board and choose the built-in Kanban board template, which instantly sets up interactive columns for your to-do items, tasks in progress, and completed work. You can quickly drag and drop individual repository issues or pull requests straight into these columns to visually map out your entire active development pipeline. Next, navigate back to your main repository landing page and click the small gear icon right beside the About section on the right side. Take advantage of this space to write a crystal clear description of the project and add relevant descriptive tags or topic keywords like web app or JavaScript so others can discover your work. Finally, ensure your root folder contains a comprehensive readme.md file detailing setup instructions, and add a structured contributing.md file to outline clear guidelines for outside open source collaborators. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.